How to customize a Starbucks e-gift card before sending. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Starbucks on your device. Here, simply go to the gift card section and choose the one you prefer. After you've clicked on the gift card you want to customize it, simply scroll down in here, then add gift amount. Select amount from there or custom. And who are you gifting to, their name and their email. After that, scroll down, you can add personal note as well. It is optional, and if you scroll down, you'll find from, add your name and email, and then press on checkout at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you're good to go. This is how to customize a Starbucks e-gift card before sending. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.